Ladies, gentlemen, I'm about to bring to the stage the queen of the Vision Board. The woman who will help you make all your dreams come true.
I want to welcome everyone for coming to the Vision Board Brunch. For those who do not know me, my name is Darlene Devra. I've been hosting this event for the past 3.5 years in Jacksonville, Florida. And now we're here in Orlando. So I'm so glad that you guys are all here with me.
Expecting networking. I'm expecting to just be in place, to be able to just embrace the environment of being around people who are looking to not only create the vision that they're looking to build for their future, but to actually sit in that moment of imagining the direction that they would like to go.
Right now, I am feeling truly inspired. I'm in a room full of visionaries, and everything begins with the visions.
It comes true. Whenever you put your mind into, it will become a reality.
One thing life is teaching me right now is to take action. I mean, stepping outside of my comfort zone, you hit a point in your life where, yes, you're moving, yes, you're going, but you still feel empty inside.
The layout is absolutely beautiful. I mean, you have a variety of vendors. Have a variety of smell goods, if you're a little hungry, you came to a brunch, there's gift baskets, and then you're looking at different vision boards that are put aside, and you're looking at people who are goal oriented and driven just to look for something to look forward to. So, not only is it just like a room of smell good, eat, it's like a fellowship hall. Like you go to church, you sit there and the Lord, the Lord blesses your spirit and the word is given to you, and then you like, let's eat. So it's a good vibe all around, because what you looking to do, stay the same place or expand?